If this is a combination between the PG1 and the PG2, shouldn't this really be the PG 1.5? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the PG 2.5 Black and Pure Platinum. Now, like I said, this is a hybrid model between the PG1 and the PG2, and Paul George first debuted this shoe at the Fortnite Pro-Am. And originally this colorway was announced to be releasing on June 30th, but then it got super pushed back and now it's being released in the middle of July. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the black and yellow PG2 box, so it's the yellow box with the like crackle earth design and the black cavity like that has space. I still don't know what this is on the top of this box, but on the front you have the constellation design that says Paul George 2. And you have the PG logo on the side panel. And the colorway is black, pure platinum, and anthracite. Now let's take a look at the shoe. Aesthetically speaking, this shoe is similar to the PG2. However, it does feature a midfoot strap. Taking a look at the toe, you have a mesh panel for the toe cap, as well as synthetic overlays on both sides of the toe box. And you have the midfoot strap. Now, this midfoot strap is not the same as the midfoot straps in the PG1. The PG1's midfoot strap had fly wire in it. This one does not. It's more of like a synthetic material webbed together, and it has the Nike swoosh embossed in the corner in black. Taking a look at the tongue, you have the black tongue and it's mesh. You have a suede tongue tag with the PG logo in silver. On the inside of the tongue, you have Paul George's signature in orange. The insoles of the shoe are pink, and on the left shoe you have the PG logo, and on the right shoe you have the number 13 for PG's jersey number. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the mesh base with the synthetic overlay in anthracite. For the heel, you've got a mesh back tab along with the logos PG on the left shoe and 13 on the right shoe. The medial is similar to the lateral, so you've got the mesh base as well as the synthetic overlay panel in anthracite, but you also have a 3M Nike swoosh on the synthetic overlay for the medial side. The shoe features a black and white speckled midsole, and moving towards the heel, you've got the 3M Nike swoosh. And for the outsole, you have a clear translucent outsole with the PG logo in orange and pink, and on the forefoot, you have this graphic that's orange and pink as well. This shoe is honestly just a PG2 with a forefoot strap, and that's not a bad thing because the PG2 was a solid basketball sneaker for what it was. And aesthetically, with this extra midfoot strap, it reminds me of the KD7, which was one of my favorite shoes from the KD line. This shoe is definitely recommended, and it's a dope colorway, so you know, I had no problems picking it up. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. PG 2.5 in the black and pure platinum colorway is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.